Hello students, let us see the queen rule. Yesterday I already informed you queen rule. Let's see the problems based on the queen rule. Okay, let's see here you have integration I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx. This is most important one asked in JEE and this is also most important question. Okay, let's see here how to apply the queen rule. What queen rule says, see here applying, see here I will say one more thing. Before video you have seen it here. I applied king rule. I added both equation. Then applied queen rule. That is lengthy. Okay. Now why I explain that one in few books they write like that. So you should know that thing also. Now applying king rule, adding the equations, applying queen rule. That results and this result applying directly queen rule is same. So let's see, I will do this one directly using the queen rule. You can use two things. You can use your queen rule, then add the equation, then apply queen rule, or directly apply queen rule. That both can be helpful to solve this question. So let us see here what I am going to do here. You have an integration 0 to a fx dx. This is equal to integration 0 to a by 2 fx dx plus integration 0 to a by 2 f of a minus x dx. This is what the queen rule. So applying the queen rule for this one, I'll get I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. I can write fx. Fx means what? ln sec x, ln sin x dx plus integration 0 to pi by 2. I can write as f of means sin pi by 2 minus x, ln sin pi by 2 minus x. That is sin 90 minus theta. What is the answer? Sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. So I get as this is I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. I can write this one wholly ln sin x plus both integrals are same. So I can write as ln cos x dx. I can write two steps very forward, but I want to make you understand. So I am writing all the steps. So you have ln a plus ln b formula, ln ab. So integration I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. I can write as ln sin x into cos x, because sin a plus sin b is sin ab. So what I got, integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x into cos x dx you got. Now what we can write here, 2 sin 2x is equal to formula is what is sin 2x formula? 2 sin x into cos x. So sin x into cos x will be what? Sin 2x by 2. So here this one will become I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. I can write this one as ln sin 2x by 2 dx. So this is what applying our queen rule we get directly. This can be done another way. How? This question is there. I can take this is the first equation. I can apply king rule, that is a minus x. Then I'll add both the equations. Then 2i is equal to, you get 0 to pi ln sin x cos x, that you get. Then we will apply the queen rule. After adding that, we will apply the queen rule. Instead of that, directly apply queen rule over. So now you know you need to integrate this one. So log a by b formula is what? Log a minus b. So I can write I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. You can write this as ln sin x, ln sin 2x, ln sin 2x minus ln 2. So you can write as log a minus b formula is like that. Log a by b formula is log a minus log b. Therefore I is equal to what I am going to get here, integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin 2x dx minus integration 0 to pi by 2 ln 2 dx. So this is can be integrated very easily. I have to integrate this one. How to integrate ln sine 2x? That is important. So what I do here, I am going to explain you. See here, whichever the questions I wrote here, both are very important for queen rule, and you have to remember this result. Result you should remember. Means answer you should remember to crack in JEE easily. So what I can write is finally I is equal to, we can write as I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 ln sine 2x. So I will take yes 2x is equal to t. If I take 2x is equal to t, 2 dx is equal to I'll get dt. 2 dx is equal to I'll get dt. Okay, finally what I am going to get here, when I take x is equal to 0, what is the t value? If I take, when I am using the substitution method, if x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. If I take x is equal to pi by 2, if I take x is equal to pi by 2, then what I get here, t is equal to pi. Are you getting it here? Pi by 2 gets cancelled pi. So this I am getting as I is equal to integration 0 to pi ln t. Okay. Acha, what I am going to get ln sin t, right? I am going to get ln sin t dt. ln sin t dt. Okay, ln sin t dt by 2, because 2 dx is equal to t, then dx is equal to dt by 2. So I get as here dt by 2, and minus you have integration 0 to pi by 2, ln2 will come out, then 1 will be there. What is the integration of 1? That is x. ln2 is the constant number, comes out, integration of 1 is x. So integration of 1 is x. I can substitute upper limit and lower limit. Now what I am going to get here, 1 by 2 I will take out, I will get 0 to, this I can write as 0 to pi. Can I write using the first property, first principle, ln, this I can write as sin x dx. Even sin t dt or sin x dx using the first principle is same. Minus ln 2 and integration, this applying pi by 2 minus 0. This is applying pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. Now what I am going to get this part. This part is the question again. You can see that question is again. So that is I can write I. So I is equal to, I can write this is 1 by 2 into I, that is I by 2, minus ln 2, and that is pi by 2 is multiplying. Pi by 2 is multiplying. It means this, if I send I minus I by 2 is equal to minus, minus pi by 2 ln 2. Okay, I minus means I minus I by 2 is I by 2 again. So I can write as I by 2 is equal to minus pi ln 2 divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled, so I is equal to minus pi ln 2 is your final answer. Hope you understand what I have explained here. See here, I by 2 was here. So this is you got I by 2. I by 2 sending this side, so it has happened. Hope you understand. This is minus pi ln 2. So the answer for integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx is nothing but minus. Okay, this is something went wrong. Way here 1 by 2. Okay, 0 to pi by 2. See here, in this actually what happened, this is the answer, but see here, not that right. Here we have integration 0 to a fx dx is equal to integration 0 to a by 2 fx dx plus 0 to a by 2 f of a minus x dx, right? The same thing, but here a, if you have here a by 2, if you have here pi by 2, I get here pi by 2. Sorry, by mistake I wrote pi by 2. This is pi by 4 because you have here pi by 2, pi by 2 half will be pi by 4. So answer will not change anything, this limit will change. pi by 4. Instead of pi by 2, it will change pi by 4. So this I am going to change here pi by 4. This is going to change pi by 4, and this is going to be changed pi by 4. This is going to be changed pi by 4, and this will be going to change pi by 4. Hope you understand what I said here. Actually, by mistake, I did not see that. Actually, I felt pi. So it is pi by 4. Okay, this is pi by 4. Okay, then after here, if it is pi by 4, so here when I am substituting x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0 you got. When I am substituting x is equal to pi by 4 here, I get this is pi by 4. I have to substitute pi by 4, then I get pi by 2 I get. Pi by 2 I get. So here is the question. Here you get pi by 2, here you get pi by 2. Okay. So by mistake I did not see this is I felt pi. Sorry, pi by 2 it is. So it is pi by 2. So you according to the Field rule you get a by 2, that is pi by 4. I applied everywhere pi by 4. See here. Then I got pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 ln sin t dt. That is I got here pi by 2. I integrate sin pi by 2. You got the same thing. So this is appearing as a question itself. This is appearing as a question itself. So I got I by 2. So here is pi by 4. So you get here is pi by 4. So this answer will be pi by 4. So therefore I get here pi by 4. Pi by 4. So here I get here pi by 4. Okay, here I get pi by 4. So this is I am going to get here. I am going to get here pi by 4. So when I just cancel, I get as the answer is pi by 2 minus pi by 2 ln 2. Why I made this correction, you know, I remember this because I know this is very important. I remember this answer. So finally when I see this one I got shocked. I think it should get pi by 2 but I got pi. What is the wrong value? Just look at here, the question is 0 to pi by 2 I have to there. So this is becomes pi by 4. I repeat once if you want. 0 to pi by 2 is there. So I can write according to the Field rule. I can write pi by 4 ln sin x dx. 0 to pi by 2 this I can write. Answer is not going to change anything. These steps are not going to change anything. Only this interval will change. Only this interval will change. This upper limit will change. This upper limit will change. And when I am taking here substitution method, here also upper limit will change. Nothing going to change. Upper limit will change. So answer you are going to get finally that. So minus pi by 2 ln. Hope you understand. This is very important. Remember it. See, according to the previous question, I told you to remember the formula. Minus pi by 2 ln 2 you got answer, right? See, please watch again. This is a small mistake I have done, so I covered it. Okay. Let's see here. Integration you have ln sin pi by 2x dx. Okay, question I will check it again. Question. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Pi I think the limit I am not getting here. Then see here, previous question result, what was that? 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx. 0 to pi by 2 ln sin dx is minus pi by 2 ln 2 we got. If I apply here king rule if I apply, what I get, this value will be equal to what? 0 to pi by 2 ln sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus x will be how much? Cos x. So these both are equal. So always remember that integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx, integration 0 to pi by 2 ln cos x dx, that answer always minus pi by 2 ln 2. Remember this answer. Let's see, solve this question. You have a question that is ln sin pi x by 2 dx. You have to solve. Integration 0 to 1. Let us consider pi by 2x is equal to t. Now differentiate this one. What I get here, pi by 2 dx is equal to dt. Then what I get here, dx is equal to 2 dt here. If I get here 2 dt by pi, I will get this one. So this question will be changed. How it will be changed here? If x is equal to 0, what I am going to get here? If x is equal to 0, I will substitute. Then t is equal to 0, I will get. If I substitute here in the place of x 0, I will get t 0. If x is equal to, if I substitute 1, and I will get here, if in the place of x is 1, then t is equal to pi by 2. So this question is going to change 0 to pi by 2 ln sine, I am going to get here, this one is t, I consider t, and I am getting dx as 2 times dt by pi. So I can take out 2 by pi out. So what is I got this was, I told you this to remember. What is the answer? Minus pi by 2 ln 2. So by shortcut I can write this answer is 2 by pi into this answer is minus pi by 2 ln 2. Pi gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, answer is minus ln 2. So this formula is very important, you need to remember. I proved in the previous section, you can see that one, and now I have proved this one very easily. So when you remember this formula, you can solve the remaining problem. Like here, same wise, integration 0 to pi by 2 x cot x dx is there. So to solve this one, what we do here, we do bypass. We do what? Bypass. Bypass in what? What is a bypass rule? You have to apply here bypass. Okay, there is no other condition. So what is the condition for bypass? I late. In this case, T is the trigonometry, A is the this is first equation, this is second. So what I can write here, that here I can write here x is out, integration, I am applying the bypass. X is out, integration cot x dx minus integration of d by dx of x into integration of cot x dx whole, this total dx I can write using the bypass. So I is equal to what I get here, x into, this is cot x formula is what? ln sin x, and I integration value from where to where? 0 to pi by 2 minus integration d by dx of x is what? 1, and this one is what? ln sin x, this is ln sin x dx. So integration of cot x is ln mod sin x. So you will see here ln mod sin x, already you have this answer. This answer is how much? ln sin x. ln sin x, this is just now ln 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. When I am applying ln sin x dx, the answer is what? Minus pi by 2. Already you have minus, and you are getting minus pi by 2 ln 2. So minus into minus, what? Here plus. So the answer is plus pi by 2 ln 2 you got. This is the answer. Why? This will be 0. If I substitute here pi by 2, sin pi by 2 how much? 90. Sin 91, ln 1 is 0, so this will be 0. If I substitute here sin 0 is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. So this total it is becoming 0. So the I is equal to, this is becoming 0. So the answer is I is equal to pi by 2 ln 2 is the answer. So if you remember this one result, you can solve this kind of problems whenever it is occurs. So hope you understand. This is the Queen rule. Okay, you have to understand these questions. Like this, I can give you one more question for homework. Okay, I'll give you homework. You can do it, and let's see you are able to solve it or not. Okay. So based on previous section, the same question we are going to do. Integration 0 to pi by 2 ln cot x plus tan x dx. How to find this? These are the previous year questions. Okay, very important. And these type of questions tomorrow I will explain. Tomorrow I will finish the Queen rule in the beginning, and I will go for the job rule. Okay, we will go for the all properties. Tomorrow in 2 days I am going to complete all the properties, 2-3 days. Max to max in 7-8 days we will finish this chapter. Let us see here, 0 to pi by 2 ln cot x is there. Cot x can be written as what? Cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. Okay, plus integration tan x can be written as what? Sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x dx. Okay, and here this I can write as I is equal to 0 to pi by 2, and you have this here ln mod. I can take the LCM here, sin x, and here cos x is the LCM. Hope you understand. Sin x is there, sin x cancel, cos x into cos x, cos square x. Plus here cos x cancel, sin into sin square x Hope you understand. So what I can write here, I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 ln. Now tell me what is sin square x plus cos square x? That is 1. So I can write that is 1 upon sin x into cos x. Okay, sin x into cos x dx. Okay, hope you understand this one. Therefore, I is equal to, I can write here 0 to pi by 2 ln. See here, ln a by b formula, ln a minus ln b, right? ln a minus ln b. This is can be written as integration 0 to pi by 2. So ln 1 minus 0 to pi by 2. I am separating this. ln pi by 2, ln a minus ln b, ln sin x into cos x dx. Tell me what is ln1 answer? ln1 answer is 0. So this is I is equal to, this is 0 minus. Now ln log a into b, log a plus log b formula. So integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x plus 0 to pi by 2 ln cos x dx. That is what I said, to remember this formula. Is it right? In the previous section I told you to remember this formula. So just apply here. I get here I is equal to, if you remember, problems will be done soon. Okay, ln sin x formula is what? What is ln sin x? Minus of pi by 2. Tell me what is answer? Minus of pi by 2 ln 2. My here, this one also, what is the answer? This is answer is what? Minus pi by 2 ln 2. So if you add this both, what I get here? I get as I is equal to, you have minus of pi by 2 and pi by 2. If you add this both, pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is how much? Pi. So pi ln 2. So minus into minus plus, the answer is pi ln 2 is the answer. This is the beauty of mathematics and these type of questions. Also you should remember, I will tell you this question, then our queen rule will complete. This is the last question. Last 3 questions are there in queen rule. We will finish the 3 questions. Then our queen rule completes. Then we will go for the other properties. Hope you understand these questions. How I solve? Please solve these questions. What I am explaining, please solve them. I am taking up very important questions I am explaining. So make it sure that you have solved all my questions. Thank you. Take care.